Do you struggle with your online advertising, specifically Google AdWords? You've spent lots and lots of money, you've tried all these different things, and you just think it doesn't work for you. Well, I'd love to share a number of tips and tricks that I've used over the years to make it work really, really well. My name's Tom Hegarty, and I grew a business that turned over $100 million on Google. At one stage, we're the third largest spender in Hong Kong on Google AdWords. I'm going to share with you a number of advanced techniques, tips and tricks that I've used that have worked fantastically for me over the years. So come along to our free seminar and I'll be happy to share all of these tips and tricks with you.